When we get an improvement in mortgage rates, homeowners often get bombarded with refinance offers. Many of the offers sound amazing, like save $200 a month with a no-cost refinance. But I want to encourage you to look closely at the numbers and make an informed decision around the wisdom of refinancing at any given time. First, let's talk about costs. There is generally some cost associated with a refinance. If you have the equity available, you are able to roll the cost into the loan, in which case you will not need to take funds to closing, but you will pay it over the term of the loan. Be sure to look closely at the worksheet or loan estimate the lender provides, and pay particular attention to origination charges, points, and other fees. Depending on how long it has been since your last loan, you may get discounted title fees, but there will probably be some charges for those as well. Add the cost up and subtract any lender credit you are getting. Once you know the cost, you will want to calculate how long it will take to recoup those costs. For instance, if the cost of the refinance is $5,000 and it will save you $100 a month, then it will take 50 months or 4 years for the savings to equal the cost or for you to break even. If it only costs $2,000, then you will break even in 20 months or just over a year and a half. Now that you know your numbers, it's time to see how they fit into your financial goals. If you are going to sell the home before the break-even period is up, then you will have lost equity and therefore lowered the proceeds you will receive from the sale. If you're feeling cash-strapped, however, then the cash flow savings during that time may make sense for you. This can be a major factor in deciding to do a cash-out refinance for debt consolidation. Also, if you are a person who itemizes on your income tax return, then be sure to talk with your accountant about what a refinance will change, as you will want to take that into consideration as well. I hope you found this helpful. Please feel free to reach out, as I'd be happy to go through numbers with you and help you determine if a refinance makes sense for you.